Today's topic is statistics. The subtopic is ungrouped data or raw data, part 1. In this topic, in this lesson, we shall arrange the data in order. We shall find the mode, median, and mean, that is the measures of central tendency. We shall calculate the quartiles, that is the lower quartile and the upper quartile. We shall also solve a question involving the middle 50% of the data. Thank you for being with us and welcome to this class. Kindly consider to subscribe to this channel and share it to friends. We have a question that will lead us through. The data below represents height in centimeters of 10 pencils sampled in a class. The data is raw 8, 9, 5, 10, 3, 4, 6, 8, 3, and 7 centimeters. It is a raw data collected in class. The first question, we shall arrange the data in order, that is ascending order. We shall state the model height. We shall also find the median. We shall calculate the mean. We shall find the lower quartile. We shall calculate the upper quartile and find the number of pencils in the middle 50% of the data. First question, arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order is from smallest to largest. Remember to repeat the numbers that appear multiple times, and the arrangement shall be 3 centimeters, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 10. Notice that 3 and 8 appeared multiple times, 2 times each. Next question. State the model height of the data. The mode is the most frequent value in a set of data. We notice that 3 and 8 appeared twice each. So the most frequent values are 3 and 8 centimeters. So the mode shall be both 3 and 8 centimeters because they both occur twice. This set of data with 2 modes is called a bimodal data. A bimodal, bi means 2, bimodal type of data. This other question, what is the median height of the data? Of course, the median is the middle value in a set of data, but the data must be arranged in either ascending or descending order. Our data, as we can see above there, is already arranged in ascending order. So we go straight to the middle value. We notice 2 values appearing at the middle because there were 10 observations. So the 5th and the 6th values will be at the middle, 6 and 7. What we do to them is we add the 2 values and divide by 2. So 6 plus 7 we get 13, divide that by 2 we get 6.5. Suppose this data had only one value at the middle, that particular value will be the median of that data. Our median therefore is 6.5 for this question. Next question, calculate the mean height of the pencils. The mean is the average of a set of data. We shall therefore sum all the values, all the 10 values, and divide it by 10. So that is the formula for mean, summation of x divided by n. And we shall add 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 gives us 63. Divide that by 10, we get 6.3. So our mean shall therefore be 6.3 centimeters. Next, we go to the quartiles. Find the lower quartile Q1 of the data. The lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. Get that right, is the median of the lower half of the data. where is the lower half? First, divide your data into two parts, exactly at the middle. That is where your median was, or there where your median would be, so that you can see the lower half and the upper half. So cut your data across where the median was. So in our data, because there were 10 observations, the middle shall be exactly dividing the data into 5 parts, or 5 values on the lower half, 5 values on the upper half. So the middle here, we can see the line on the middle is between 6 and 7. That was where our median was, because we added 6 plus 7 to get 6.5. So what is the median of the lower half? I have highlighted it in red. Q1 therefore shall be 4. It is the median, the middle of the lower half of the data. So our Q1 shall be 4. If I may ask, what will be the median of the upper half of the data? Let us go straight to it. The upper quartile, just like the lower quartile, is the median of the upper half of the data. So arrange your data, divide it into 2 equal parts, look at the upper half and find its median. So the median shall be 8. So our Q3 is 8. Next question. Find the number of pencils in the middle 50% of the data. So where is the middle 50% of the data? I had a description here. Let me just highlight. I have some description here, and I have a straight line describing our set of data. So this description here, where Q1 is at this point, it represents the lower quarter. It represents a quarter of the data, that is 25%. Where Q3 will be represents the upper quarter, so it's another quarter, 25%. What will be left at the middle is 50%. So the lower quarter 25%, the upper quarter 25%, making a 50%. So whatever remains at the middle shall be called the middle 50% of the data. So the middle 50% of the data lies between Q1 and Q3. So our arrangement comes back. So the first 25% of the data, that is where our Q1 is 3 values. Then 4 values at the middle and 3 values at the upper quarter. If you remember, our Q1 was at 4. So the 4 we are talking about is, this was our Q1, and this one was our Q3. So whatever remains at the middle here is the middle 50% of the data. So the number of pencils in the middle 50% of the data is 4 pencils. So the question was how many, find the number of pencils. So 4 pencils, or 5, 6, 7 and 8 centimeters respectively. Thank you for being with us to the end of this lesson.